Yeah, thank you very much.
Christmas time.
I just got my Blackmagic 4K. I'm not even excited. Oh yeah. Guys, welcome to a new video. Today is special. Christmas comes earlier this year for me. So I just got my Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K. Let's go and unbox it, see what I got, see all the gear, the cage, the actual camera, all the different batteries I got. And in the next video, I'm gonna put the things together and show you two different kits. One for travel videos, so traveling a bit lighter with your camera, and one for professional shoots. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna show you my kit right now. Worth mentioning, guys, I bought everything from Pro AV. It's a company here in UK. They deliver and they supply camera gear. They're very friendly, very helpful. So thank you, Sony, for sending me the gear just in time for my shoot on Monday. Today is Thursday, so just in time to unpack and test it out. So guys, I'm going to break down all the individual items and the cost as well to give you an idea of what I spent for this kit. You can find all the links in the description. Anyway. I've never seen a box like this, man. And ba-ba! Baby. Shall we start with this? So Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K. I didn't go with a 6K for many reasons. This one is actually giving me more than the 6K in terms of what I do as a profession. So, and the type of videos I make. It's also half the price of the 6K. I will never shoot 6K, I guess, in my life until 2030, maybe in 10 years time. DaVinci is included in your Blackmagic. It comes with one LP battery. By the way, I bought another 6 batteries just in case. So basically, I bought this kit because I'm traveling to Israel and Jordan in January 2020 for a job, and I thought there was a light kind of kit to carry around. It comes with a charger, one battery, and cable in there, I guess. The different adapters here, different adapters. So shall we go through the cost as well as I talk to you through the gear? Blackmagic 4K, £995 plus VAT, so it's gonna be around £1,100. That's for the camera. As I mentioned, guys, I got, here we go, 6 LP batteries. And these are for when I want to travel lighter, so I don't need to carry the V-mount batteries. This set of charger and 2 batteries was £20. A pair of extra batteries was £18. So 18 plus 18 plus 20. Look at the difference of size. Still, it's not too big, so this is still allowed on your planes, which is great. Let's carry on with the batteries then. So 2 V-mount by Sweet, 98 watt. These 2 batteries were £400, 440 to be precise. Ka-ching! Oh guys, yes. So talking about batteries, this is the charger for the 2 Sweet batteries. So it's a travel charger, as you can see, that's all you need. This actually came with the batteries, so the 2 V-mount batteries, so in the £440 plus VAT. Let's go back to the Metabones. So Metabones, that's the speed booster again to fit the EF Canon lenses onto the Blackmagic, which is actually a 4/3 mount. Oh, by the way, guys, I'm selling my Sony kit, so if you want, go and check it out again in the description. You can get it if you're in London or UK. It's brand new. It's still really in good condition. So here we go, Metabones. So this thing was £525. plus 20% of VAT. By the way, guys, if you buy a bundle of things, the companies probably are going to offer you a bit of discount, so it's convenient to buy from the same supplier. That's my experience anyway. Rods, the 2 rods to put under the tilter cage. So these 2 things were £14 for the pair. XLR cable to mini XLR, so to plug like professional microphones into the Blackmagic, great tool. And also this is the power cable that goes from the battery to power up the Blackmagic. The 2 XLR cable to mini XLR were £22 plus VAT, and the power cable TCB it's the P-tap cable to power the Blackmagic from the V-mount batteries, that was 35 plus VAT. So quite expensive things here. Well, everything is crazy expensive. So this is the Sony NPF dummy battery that goes from the V-mount battery into my Atomos. So it's gonna power the Atomos directly from the V-mount batteries. £69 guys, plus VAT. Shinobi monitor, as we said, it's a 4K HDMI. So the Atomos Shinobi was £260 plus VAT. This is just the monitor, it's not a recorder. I don't think I need a recorder with the CFast cards and SD cards. So for now, I'm happy with this. I'm not recording through external hard drive as well, like the Samsung T5. So Tilta full cage, it was a bundle with the handle, top handle, and the plate, £220 plus VAT. And this case, by the way, you can use it with your Blackmagic 6K as well. It comes with 2 Ali keys. Okay, this is the cage. I actually ordered the tactical gray. That's the handle for the Tilta, top handle for the Tilta cage. We're gonna put the stuff together very soon. Is the V-mount plate for the Tilta cage. This thing was £205 plus VAT. I think we're only missing the actual plate of the cage. So this comes with the cage again, no extra cost. Last but not the least, 2 CFast cards, 256 gigabytes, £158 each. Just like my mom would like me to spend my money. So here we go, guys, that's what I bought so far. Oh, an extra tool, small rig, it's a tilting and adjustable cold shoe, so I can mount the monitor, the Shinobi, on top of the tilter cage. And this was around £30. So I'm going to show you the total right now. If you guys want to see all this stuff together, then hit the subscribe button, because in my next vlogs I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. And also stay tuned, because in Israel it's going to be a very cool project. So again, I'm going to go through the Blackmagic and through the gear. I'm going to test it out properly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I hope so, if you don't have anything else to do.